बोलते हो हम। dedicated to popular lectures for school students. We are very happy to see such enthusiastic participation from students today. I request Professor M. Ghansham Krishna, Director, Institution of Eminence, University of Hyderabad, to kindly deliver the welcome address.
Okay. Saves time, I suppose. Good afternoon. It's lovely to see so many school children here. And must congratulate the School of Physics. It's a very unique event. And I hope all of you had a good lunch and you're ready for 3 hours of popular lectures by very eminent people. So you may also be wondering whether how much of what is being or what will be said you will understand. I don't think you should worry about that. The point of this interaction is essentially to communicate the excitement of a very important subject in physics, which is essentially the heart of all physics in some sense. I mean, there are others who may disagree with me, but it is so this is something, if you want to become a physicist, then this is something that you have to learn thoroughly, and it is a lifetime of learning, I mean, like anything else. So so first of all, thank you all for coming. We welcome you to the University of Hyderabad. I don't know how many of you have visited the University of Hyderabad. I saw some children walking from the main gate. It's a nice campus, and the walk is long, but it is quite it's a quite exciting walk. You see a lot of things. So just to say a few things, which is that quantum mechanics is actually not taught in the at the school level. I'm not sure what. Can you tell me by a show of hands how many of you are in class 10, class 11, class 12 or something? Okay, so you're just getting initiated into physics, I suppose. So the aim of this workshop, I think the Dean will also probably elaborate a little more, is essentially to communicate to you what happened in a very important field of physics, and it started 100 years ago. And we've been learning, and people like me and the other seniors who are sitting here and who will give you talks. Professor Mani is here. I think he's been teaching quantum mechanics probably all his life. I've heard his lectures, and so you're getting the best, information from the best people in the field. And so please do interact with them, ask questions. And as I said in the beginning, don't worry about the fact that you may not understand everything that is being said, but do take notes, and if you have a question, please do ask. So again, welcome to all of you. Thank you for coming here. The University of Hyderabad is extremely happy that you've all come here. I especially thank all the distinguished speakers who have made time to deliver these popular lectures. We are very grateful to all of you for coming long distance. So have a good time, have fun, and this is not a classroom. You should enjoy. And we need to see more smiles in the audience than you're all frowning. You will not have an exam after this. That much we promise. So please do smile, enjoy what is going on, and learn as much as you can. Thank you, and welcome again.
Thank you so much, sir, for your encouraging words. I now kindly invite Professor K. Nirmal Viswanathan, in charge Dean, School of Physics, to kindly deliver the welcome address.
Good afternoon. Welcome to School of Physics and University of Hyderabad. Though we are holding this meeting in the School of Life Sciences, the event is sponsored by Institute of Eminence and University of Hyderabad and coordinated by School of Physics. And no wonder that this is one of its kind, first time we are trying. Hopefully if we get a good feedback from the students, we will continue to kind of involve more such activities which will include the students from the schools nearby. And I think Shamal was probably the key behind this whole thing. He was kind of insisting, he was the chief, saying that yes, we should bring in students from the schools and then tell them what is going on as far as this world of quantum is concerned. And I believe that you guys should kind of pay a little more attention, because hopefully, or kind of I'm hoping that your generation may start getting the fruits of all the 100 years of quantum, which was mostly in the textbook. Now slowly it is coming out of textbook and then to the reality. And you keep hearing about quantum computation, quantum information. Everything you can think of, they have started putting a quantum in front of it. So that implicitly means that there is something that is to be learned if it is new. So it is from that point of view, this kind of bringing school students into the university community and then letting you people listen to some of the experts who have taught these courses for, I mean, tens of years in their life to students at various levels. And I don't know if they have taught for the school students before, but yeah, some of them said they have taught before. So because you have to see where you pitch the subject so that those who are on the borderline will kind of feel welcome to come into the world of quantum, and those who are on the kind of feel that it is scary, kind of move away from that one. So we have to kind of balance it in a proper way so that students kind of start appreciating. And then your generation is going to be, like for us it was internet, and for you people it is everything quantum kind of a thing. Now I see that it is quantum biology, quantum consciousness. As I said, everything you can think of in English word, they have started adding a quantum in front of it. And some people started adding AI also into it. So it is becoming a very extremely superposed situation. I don't know what will happen at the end of it. Hopefully a constructive superposition. Once again, welcome. School of Physics is, I should also tell before I leave this podium, University of Hyderabad is a research cum teaching institution. We have various teaching programs and research programs. For you people, it will be interesting to note that we run a very successful integrated program, master's program. So after your 12th, you have to write an entrance exam which is held at a national level, and if you get qualified, you come into one of the programs which are done for people who want to do colleges after +2 kind of a thing. And so all the programs that we run at the integrated level are integrated per se, in the sense that we teach our students everything, right from physics and mathematics and biology and chemistry for science students, and in addition to English and social sciences, lot of opportunities to do cross courses. And so that means that you can jump across the disciplines and take some courses, and then variety of opportunities are there. And this is a university as opposed to kind of schools and colleges and even state universities. So we kind of integrate education at a much, much higher level. And I am kind of proud to say that we have some of the best teachers and researchers that you can think of. And I thank the schools from which you are coming, and also the coordinators. Some of them are also our alumni. So I thank them to have put in the effort to bring the students to show us the not only the university but also the teaching and research program that goes on. So we can even expand it, and then over a period of time we can have some open days, and then bring in and then look at the research facilities that we have. I would say that in this area, we are probably one of the very, very well-funded and well-equipped research labs that you have. And we don't teach for teaching's sake, we teach for knowledge and future use for your life as far as physics is concerned. I'm sure it is kind of applicable across all disciplines that we run. I'm telling from the science and a physics point of view, but it is applicable across the board for all the subjects. And yeah, that's about it. As Professor Ghanshyam was telling, sit back and enjoy the ride of quantum world. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words. We now begin the technical session of day 2. This session will be chaired by Professor M. Ghanshyam Krishna, Director, Institution of Eminence, University of Hyderabad. We move to the first distinguished lecture of the day, and it is my pleasure to introduce Professor Soumitra Sen Gupta, Professor at Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science, Kolkata. Professor Soumitra Sen Gupta is a distinguished theoretical physicist. He obtained a PhD degree from Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics, Kolkata. As a faculty, he has served at Presidency College, Kolkata, Jadavpur University. Before joining IACS, Kolkata, he has been working as a senior professor in the Department of Theoretical Physics at IACS, Kolkata since 2008. He works on various areas of physics, in particular extra-dimensional theories, string theory, supersymmetry, supergravity, brainward phenomenology, cosmology, and black holes. And he has published over 145 research papers. And today he'll be delivering a talk on The Road to Uncertainty, a survey from classical to quantum physics. May I now invite Professor Soumitra Sen Gupta to kindly deliver this lecture.